Parallax effects add dimension and visual intrigue to your website or your mobile app, which improves the user experience and makes your user want to return. And as designers, we love that. In this video, I'm going to recreate this subtle parallax animation in Figma and break it down into 5 simple steps. So let's dive in. The first step is the preparation stage. In this stage, I like to decide which elements I want to move during the animation, gather my assets, and organize my file. In my case, I'm designing a Netflix-inspired landing page for the movie Gray Man, and I was inspired by the Gray Man movie poster. I really want the background with the cathedral to move, and then I also want the foreground with the lead actors to move. To do that, I'll need to recreate this image, so I'm going to find similar images online, edit each image, and then import them into Figma. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my always, I can't blame you. Once I have all of my images imported into Figma, I design my page. I create the gradient for the background, then I bring in the cathedral and play with the opacity until I like the look. Next, I bring in the lead actors and my explosion image. I create a duplicate of the explosion image and add a blur effect to give it some depth. I also add a green image to the background and play with the opacity to add some additional texture. Once I like the look of my recreated image, I group all of my background elements together and then group all of my foreground elements together. Once my layers are organized, I duplicate my frame. In the first frame, I scale up the background image and scale down the foreground image. I leave my second frame alone. Next, I select Prototype in the side menu. I drag the arrow from frame 1 to frame 2. Then I select Interactions, select After Delay, and type in 100 milliseconds as my delay. Under Animation, I choose Smart Animate. This will animate only the files in my frame with the same name. Next, I set my Smart Animate option to ease in and out and set the time to 3000 milliseconds. You can view your finished prototype by selecting the playhead inside your design file or by clicking on the Present option on the top toolbar. I hope you enjoyed designing this parallax animation in Figma with me. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so that you know when I post my next video. In the next video, we're going to design this Netflix-inspired landing page using UI/UX best practices, and I'm going to take you through my full design process, so please stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.